How to schedule YouTube videos for future publishing. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find this icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of YouTube Studio. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now you can upload the video. For that, click on the option of Create given at the top right. Click on the option of Upload Videos. Click on Select File. Go ahead and select the video that you want to upload. So it's in the process to be uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, you can fill up the details, then set the video elements, checks, then hit towards the option of visibility. From this page, you can easily schedule any of your video. Scrolling down, you'll find this section of schedule. Click on this drop down. Now, from here, select the date. Then click on this drop down and select the time. Once you are done, you can click on schedule. By following the same steps, you can schedule any of your YouTube video. So this is how you can schedule YouTube videos for future publishing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.